Arabic perfume.
We have different kind of fresh, sweet. Where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand and India.
Now I see our perfume from like super.
Let me show you because I do want a perfume. I've just finished mine 2 days ago, so you asked me at the right time.
I do good one next with citrus and woody spices. I will do good one for you. Come on, citrus.
Cool. Let's see what you have. What are these spices? It smells like spices, huh?
This wood.
It smells like wood, huh? Very unique
Wood
smell,
and,
guys.
And myron.
Okay.
This one we will do citrus. I mix one special one for you.
Oh, you make it on the spot. I see. So see what he's doing, guys. He's actually like making.
23 years experience of perfume.
He's making perfumes on the spot. Special smell for me. Very unique smell. Very unique. How much are these if I was to buy one?
We sell milliliter 5 dirham.
How much?
1 milliliter is 5 dirham.
5 dirham.
Yes. Give me the other hand to do one wood for you.
I like the citrus one better.
Citrus one. We have here like this bottle.
Okay. I want a travel bottle. This one, small one. What's the smallest bottle you have? This
Here we
is.
have like 50 grams, 75, 125, 250.
Cool.
1 gram only 5 dirham.
1 gram and 5 dirham.
Yes.
Okay.
You like small, big? I will mix the 3 in one bottle.
I just want a small test to take it with me. I'll take like just 5 grams. Small one.
We have 25.
25.
This is good.
25 grams.
This 125 dirham I give you for 100. 25 dirham discount. You can put in the roll also. Like this one.
Oh, I see. Got it. Okay. Got it.
And some people like in stick. Like the stick.
Got it. 25 is the smallest you do?
Yeah.
Okay. No smaller than this?
No, this I give you bonus. 25 dirham discount.
I just want like a really, really small one. I don't have enough space here.
You can pay by card, no problem.
I know that, it's all good. So smallest one is how much? 25 grams. 25 grams, okay. That is 100 dirham,
Yes.
which is about $30, $40, guys, for a bottle of custom-made perfume. What is the shop's name?
Wood and sandal.
Budan Sandal, which is run by this man here. What is your good name?
Ina.
Mina. If you guys want to come to Dubai, come to Old City
We have
and check out
also
this shop.
healing oil.
He's grabbed me from the street.
Like this oil is really doing for face. This one for dry skin and wrinkle.
I see.
Rheumatism. Again,
Cool.
also on moisturizer.
Cool. Okay. Cool. Very nice.
Only our shop selling these oils in Dubai.
Very nice. Very nice. What are these? Are these like special kind of bottles that you put it in?
Yes. This we give empty. When you go home, you can fill the oil here because this is glass, more safety for traveling.
I see. Got it. Okay. Cool. Okay. Let me walk around the city and come back on the way out. And
I can give you the 50% if you want later.
I'll get it later on the way out. I've got so many things to carry at the moment. How much is this one here?
You want 50 dirham? Good for you.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, cool.
Yes, right.
Give me the citrus one, huh? The first one that you had.
Yes.
Citrus. That was nice. Okay, so this man here has given me a deal, good deal. He's given me 50% off, and he stopped me from leaving. and I'm gonna buy one.
50% with the money and 50% for free.
Cool. Look at that. Very nice. Very
I
nice.
give full the bottle.
This is the first time I'm having a custom made experience.
We put in roll is good.
Roll is perfect. I use roll. Look at that. Perfect, perfect. Shukran. Okay, let's pay this man. Beautiful. Let's go. All right, I'll pay by card. My son.
Okay.
Where are you from? From here or
From Egypt.
Egypt? I want to go to Egypt as well, actually. I want to see the pyramids. What is this? Someone buy a lot?
This is the selling
Whoa, okay,
of
okay.
one day.
Oh, I see, I see, I see.
Because we sell
I thought
too
someone
much.
bought all of this.
This is all selling. We're selling too much royals yesterday.
When is the busiest time people come here? Is it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday?
Friday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday.
Got it. Cool.
This by card would be 55 because 5 is going for government and tax.
Okay, let's insert it here because my tab may not work. And we'll do Australian dollars instead of AED. Sure. What's going on?
You know it's working.
Working now? Don't know why. Before the tab didn't work, now the insert didn't work. Okay, well, thank you so much. Shukran Bhaisab. We'll see you again. I'll
Nice
send
to
people
see you.
here. I'll send some people here. Very nice.
Anytime.
Thank you. Alright guys, I've just made 2 purchases here. My cool hat, cool, I'm not sure exactly what it's called, and a very nice perfume. Citrus flavor, smells nice. He quoted me 100 dirham and then eventually gave me 50% off. And then I ended up paying 55 dirham, which is $25 New Zealand, 20 US dollars, and I'm happy with this. I actually had just ran out of my perfume, my cologne, and I was actually in the market, so bro approached me at the right time. Hey, check this out. Very nice. Rajasthan? Rajasthan, huh? Rajasthan, huh? Choki. It's Choki restaurant. Old city. Indian restaurant from Rajasthan. This is the first time I'm actually hearing Rajasthani music. I've never been to Rajasthan, which is like the middle of India. I'm from the north part of India. Ooh, sounds beautiful. Shukriya bhai sahab, thank you. How cool was this? How cool was this? I love that little demonstration, little mini concert, just me. It's actually not that packed today. Hardly any people around. This is the Indian restaurant. There's the entrance. All the way down here. I'll see. My friend actually might be joining me here. If she comes around, we might actually have some food here. Have some Indian food, Rajasthani food. I don't think I've ever had Rajasthani food. Now on the side, river, then we have this modern architecture with boats and stuff. Rolex building. I have a special connection with old towns. Every time I travel, every time I visit a new place, whether it's in Europe, whether it's India, whether it's here in Dubai, I just get mesmerized by this old school architecture. There's something about old architecture, old feels, it just gets me excited, man. You have to be here. Let's keep going this way and see what's around here. By the way, these guys are not too pushy either. Sometimes you go to a place and they're pushing. They're very, very pushy by this, by that. So far, haven't felt the pushiness. Salesmanship for sure, there's a difference, but no pushiness, which is cool. Let's keep on going. Look at this real old school stuff. Shit, this brings me back some childhood memories. I remember seeing this machine back home in India. These old antiques. I wonder how old these are. You guys enjoying yourself? I certainly am. Hello. I actually just bought one. I just purchased one. Not this one. Okay, try here.
Here.
Yeah, try here. Okay.
This French.
This one was what? French.
French. This Arabic.
Just here's fine. Let's get it.
This leather is rose.
And how much are these, my friend?
Different. This 90 dirham. This 125.
This is French.
Yes.
This one is
No
French.
collection inside. You can-
I want to come back on this. I just got here. I've been told I want to walk around and come back out. So this is French and this is Arabic.
This is Arabic.
Got it. This is Arabic. Got it. And this is 100 each? 100 dirham each? What did you say?
No, this 90 dirham.
90, okay. Both of them,
90.
90.
No, this 125.
125.
This 90.
Got it. Cool. Definitely smells nice.
With jasmine is very good.
Thank you very much, my friend.
Thank you.
I'll see you around. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on.
So I just purchased a perfume back then, which was he made a custom one for me. This one is French. He sprayed it here. And Arabic. I think I like the French. I like the French one better. 90 dirhams, which is about $40 US, roughly. Oh, look at this beautiful sun. Hello. So, I might actually come in there and get some Hello, sir. Afterwards, thank you, sir. Thank you. Lots of perfumes here. Seems like perfume's the hot product. Let's check out this area here, and we'll continue down those ways. Oh man, I actually want to live here. I want to live here. Oh my god, it reminds me of Aladdin. I swear to God. By far, one of the coolest old towns I have ever visited. Not a lot of people around. Very quiet. I wonder if they have Airbnb here. When I go back home, I'm gonna check actually if they have any Airbnbs available. It'd be cool to stay here one day. And this time, my battery is full. I've got 300 gigs on my card. Even the toilets, look how cool they look. Man, I've been in Dubai for like 2 weeks. Why have I not been here? Why did I not come here earlier? I'm actually leaving tomorrow. No, the day after tomorrow. Heading over to Spain. Back to Barcelona. But for now, let me just take this all in and let you guys enjoy this too. Alright, some modeling going on. Let's head out that way. That's where most of the shops are. The taxi driver that I was speaking to earlier who dropped me off, he was telling me that when people come here, especially Europeans, when they come to Dubai, the first place they check out is actually this place, which is very interesting. For me, it's been the last, but it should have been the first. It's like, what are these made out of? Is it clay, concrete? Don't know. Concrete. And it's painted over to make it look like clay.